Good morning and welcome to Operation Get the Vagabond Falcon Home to Pennsylvania Day 2. It's around 8:30 or 9:30 in the morning here in Blacksburg. I'm still at the Hilton, and something new happened now. The fuel gauge stopped working and the temperature gauge stopped working. Now, this I'm not particularly worried about because the temperature did hold steady. And we're looking at a cool day, so I don't really, and then this stopped working. So just stop every 50 or 60 miles or so and just top her off. I topped her off this morning, and then she just stopped working. I topped the gas off this morning and she stopped working. But the car still moves. She is spilling automatic transmission fluid out the bottom. I went to find an Advanced Auto Parts around here in Blacksburg. I couldn't find one. So I'm going to go back in and double check because my iPhone doesn't go, it's not connected to anything, it's just really a glorified iPod Touch. So, well, they probably don't open until later today anyway. Thank you so much for everybody who emailed me and offered me phone numbers, and I used a few of them already. It's good to know that there's people along the way. I'm going to shut her off now since I'm back at the hotel. It's good to know that so many of you are along this route. It's just 81 all the way home. 81 all the way home to Pennsylvania. And then the healing and the work can begin. So, I've gotten very, in the one day I've been with her, I've been very, getting very acquainted with this vehicle. It's going to be our vehicle. Look at that, 1960. It's almost, I think it's also one of the first runs, according to the paperwork. Oh, what am I dripping out there? I did fill, that's green, isn't it? Okay. I did fill the radiator all the way to the very top, so maybe I didn't have to do that, and it's just, there's a hose. There's a little overflow thing that goes from the top of the radiator cap and goes all the way down. So I think that's okay. I have lots of coolant, so I'll keep an eye on that too. Okay. Well, she looks good. She will need work. I am not completely opposed to a complete engine swap of something else in here. In my lesson, I'm not going to open that. But she moves and she runs. So I got 400 miles to go. Back to PA. Let's find that Advanced Auto Parts. Let's get more automatic transmission fluid than we need. And let's keep her moving back to Pennsylvania. Talk to you soon.